When I hear the sound of marching feet, I cannot think what I'm about to eat. I don't turn off my TV anyway. I just put my food in the trash can and I say, switch the channel, I wanna see commercials. Switch the channel, I want something else. Switch the channel, let me see something else that's appealing to me. And I see nature channels explaining me, giving me explanations for what I'm about to see. And army experts showing me snakes and telling me how it can cure any ache. No, poison in my brain. No, I wanna get away, so show me a commercial, yes. I wanna see something else. Let me see a Coke and how it drowns the sorrow, drown it down. Let me see a soap and let it cleanse it all away. Let me see the commercial, I wanna see something else. I wanna hear a joyful tune and think of something else. Pink, light blue, and a little odor from a flower, and I can shower everything away in my shower. Yeah, down the drain, no more aches and pain. I'll cleanse it all away while I'll say, commercials are balsam for my soul. With a commercial I'll never grow old. With the commercials I'll know what to do. With the commercials I'll sink it down too.